Hi guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be doing a brand new unboxing. Today we're going to be unboxing the next in the Tricot knitting collection. But well, before we get into this guys, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button. And guys, make sure to hit the bell so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new or whenever I start a new live stream. And of course guys, if you like this collection, if you like this unboxing, make sure to leave a like down below. And make sure to go on over and subscribe to my awesome husband's channel, which is called Cosas Partener. It's a Spanish-speaking channel that does giving how-tos, reviews, unboxings, lots of cool stuff, guys. I will have his links down in the description below. And well, guys, with that being said, let's go ahead. Let's get into this. Alright, so we have everything out of the initial plastic, and now it's time to check out the magazine. Up at the top, we have the title of the collection, Tricot, Easy and Creative. This is the number 8, guys. If you would like to see the previous ones that I've unboxed, all you have to do is check out the playlist, which will be located in the end cards in the end of this video. And well, let's open this up. Over here, it shows you how to make striped hats for kids. I actually like the black and white one. That's cute. So it shows you all of the materials that you'll need, as well as what different size needles you'll need as well. And then here it gives you the pattern and how to do the different stitches. And here it shows you how to make a cute cover for a hot water heater or a hot like a hot pouch to heat for in the winter. It gives you the pattern. You guys tell me, are you guys making or knitting or crocheting any projects? If so, tell me what they are down in the comments below. And over here it shows you how to make a short scarf. That looks really pretty. You guys tell me what you guys think. Oops. There we go. And again, it shows you step by step of how to make it, which is always good. And well guys, that's the end of that. Now it's time to check out the new yarn that we got. So let's go ahead and let's do that now. Alright guys, so here we have our first yarn. I'm just going to open it up. It's this really pretty gray. $25 grams of it, and it's super soft. Well, I'm gonna put this one to the side, and then we have this really nice white one. Let me just open it up here. There we go. Alright, so I really like this white yarn. It's very like bright white. It's not like a dull white. Again, it is 25 grams, and I am just loving the yarn from this collection. It is so ridiculously soft. You guys tell me, which color do you guys like the most, the gray or the white? Tell me what you guys think down in the comments below. And well guys, that's the end of that. And well guys, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. If you did, make sure to leave a like down below. And while you're moseying around down there guys, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button. And make sure to hit the bell, so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new or whenever I start a new live stream. And of course guys, down in the description below, I will also have the links to all of my social media. So my Twitter, my Facebook, my Instagram, my Tumblr, all of that linked down below. I look forward to seeing you guys over on there. And of course, make sure to go on over and subscribe to my awesome husband's channel, which is called Cosas Partener. It's a Spanish-speaking channel that does gaming how-tos, reviews, unboxings, lots of cool stuff, guys. I will have his links down in the description below. And well, guys, I will see you next time. Have a great day. Bye-bye.